Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can redeem a YouTube premium code, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your browser, type in YouTube redeem code. Once you have searched the YouTube redeem code, tap on the YouTube redeem as you can see on top, and you simply have to first sign into your Google account. So for me, I've opened the Safari, that's why I have to go through the signing in process. For you can directly open up your Google account. Once you have done that, this is how the interface is going to look like. Simply go ahead, go to the enter code section and enter your particular premium code that you have received. Once you have entered the code correctly, the next option will light up over here at the bottom. Go ahead, tap on the next, and you might have to go through some of the 1 or 2 steps more to confirm it, and there you go, your YouTube premium code will be redeemed, and that is basically it. So the only thing that you have to make sure of is you are remembering the login details of your Google account in the YouTube premium code that you have noted down somewhere perfectly, and that you remember all correct. All you gotta do is add in the information, and that is it. You should be able to redeem your code likewise on YouTube the premium code as well. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.